2011 to 2016 Chevy Cruze USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in the 2014 Chevy Cruze, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace these two ports right here, your aux port and your USB port. The tool you want to get is one of these plastic interior tools so you don't scratch any of your panels, but if you need to, you can use a small flathead. So what you want to do is come in here, and we're just going to put this tool between the USB port and the center console and just kind of push it outwards towards the center of the opening, like this. And once you get kind of out, you just want to grab it and kind of wiggle it and pull it upwards. Pull it to the side a little bit if you need to. And then you'll be able to lift this out, and you'll have a little bit of length with the wire harness. You're going to push the center button down on the connector and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires or else the wires will break. But here's the aux port right here. Here's the GM part number. So this isn't available on Amazon yet, but you can get on this other website I'm going to link. And so get that. Once you get your new one, we're just going to plug this guy in right here. Just plugs in, and then it just goes right back into place. Just from the top, you could just push it straight down and it'll go into place. Now let's do the USB port. Kind of the same exact thing. We're going to come over here and just pop this open, or pop it out, push it towards the front of the vehicle. And then this has a different connector on it. This has a little black button that you slide backwards, and then you pull the connector off. But you got to be careful not to let this connector slide and fall back into the center console, because you'll have to use pliers to pull it back out. But here it is right here. Here's the part number on this one. This one is currently available on Amazon. I will link it below. Only 24 bucks. So when you get your new one, we just got to hook this connector up. Careful not to let it fall back into the center console. Keeping it like kind of sideways helps to put the USB port on. Make sure it snaps in good, and then we'll just drop this into place. If you have to go in from the side or the top, putting it back in, whatever you got to do just to get it to go back into place, and that's it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.